Hey guys, it's D.I.Y, and today I'm basically going to turn these Scrabble pieces into this. So stay tuned. Yeah, so today I'm sort of starting a brand new series. It's kind of based on board games and sort of like making them into accessories, like so a lot of the pieces and stuff. So today I'm obviously doing Scrabble tiles and turning them into this necklace like the title suggests. Oh, I'm also wearing this fun Scrabble shirt. I found this on Torrid. This is not one of my shirts that I make, but it sort of started or kicked off this whole series. I just saw like a bunch of really cool board game shirts and I thought they'd be really fun to wear for a series like this, but then I was like, I don't have any like jewelry to go with it, so I was like, it might be a little bit much, but whatever. So this is the initial for my last name and I just thought it'd be really fun to make some sort of jewelry with this in mind. So in case you like initial jewelry, it sort of makes it a little more interesting, I find. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys basically how I made this, and in a few other upcoming videos I am going to show you basically how to put bales and things like that on not just wood, but metal pieces, plastic pieces, that sort of thing as well. So hopefully you guys will enjoy those next upcoming videos too. So if you guys really like videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe, as well as share the videos with people who you think are gonna like this sort of thing. Jewelry making, to DIY, board games. I think people hopefully will like this sort of video, especially because board games are really popular. I'm kind of going for the more popular board games out there. So if you like Scrabble, if you like Words with Friends, that sort of thing, I feel like this is a really fun video for you. But yeah, so I got these guys off of Amazon for really cheap. If you really want to take like an old Scrabble game or something like along those lines, you can definitely do that. I just got these, I think these were from Amazon, and you can get these for like just if you wanted to just do random projects and stuff. I've seen people make coasters and things like that by like putting words down. Yeah, so there's all sorts of different projects you can do with this. You don't have to just do jewelry, which is cool. And you can also do things like magnets and things with this sort of stuff. So there's lots of cool stuff you can make with Scrabble pieces. I definitely recommend getting something like this in case you don't want to like take apart your game. I feel like if you have like game pieces missing from your game and you just don't know what to do with the game anymore, then maybe you can make something with it. That's kind of like a fun craft, but I would suggest buying something like this. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to show you guys what to do and how to make this. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So on to the DIY. So I got a whole bag of these. I guess you can get more. I think I got this from Wish, but I think you can get a bunch probably from Amazon or something like that, or anywhere else. I'm sure there's like lots of other places where you can get something like that if you don't feel like going into your actual game and using the already existing pieces for your game. Or maybe you have like a game that is missing a lot of pieces and you're just like, hey, what do I do with the rest of this? This is kind of like a fun, cute project. So basically I got a whole bag of those and I already did some drilling here. So, I don't know if you can see that, but there's basically a little hole in there, and I used this tool right here, and these are all the different heads that you can get. I might try to link it down below if I can remember to do that. It's basically like a little handheld drill. So all you have to do is, from what I've used it for, you just sort of like twist it, for at least the wood. I think it's supposed to go through wood, plastic. I don't know if it goes through stone or anything like that. It might not be strong enough, I'm not sure, but I haven't tried it out. But stuff like that, like that's fairly soft, I think it can easily work. But yeah, it can go through wood pretty easily. So I was thinking of putting a hole in here and just attaching a little bale, it's almost like a screw bale, and putting some glue in there and screwing that down. And then I could just easily weave the necklace through. But yeah, you can easily change these out if you want to. And yeah, it's a pretty cool device. I kind of like it. I haven't used it much, but I've used it at least for this. So I was thinking of just gluing that down, maybe with some sort of like glue, maybe like this,
this like E6000, like I do have a little thing of glue that might work as well, but you can probably get into the crevices a little bit easier. Something along those lines should hold the bail in place pretty well. Now that I sort of drilled a hole, this is going to be kind of like the next step. This one's actually a fairly easy one to do. This is bails. Oops. I was opening things on camera. Anyways, these are bails here, but they're sort of like screw-in bails. But I think they're too small for the hole. Yeah, see, they're a little small. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if this is going to focus very well. If I do a little further away. So you can see how small that is. And that should fit like right over top of the hole like that. So I mean, you can use hot glue or something with this as well. But I'm going to use this. It's called F6000. I got it from like Wish when E6000 was not available. The E6000 I have is too runny. This is more for, I feel like this is more for my delicate jewelry. And it glues on pretty well. So let's actually try it in here. Let's get this garbage out of here. Let's put some of that in there. Put that in there, and I'm going to put some on the end here, just to make sure that it really gets in there. That's maybe enough. And then just sort of stick that on top. So it has a bit of like a little lip here, which is perfect. I'm just going to center a bit, and that should solidify, and then I can easily turn that into a necklace. I could turn it into an earring or something potentially. I could turn it into keychains. There's like little different keychain sort of things you can do. There's all sorts of stuff you can do with initials, or even just these pendants. You could put this on a very bulky bracelet, but there's a lot you can do with that. So I'm just basically going to put that aside. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, it's pretty simple, this next step. Obviously, like this whole project is pretty simple. I mean, you could do a lot of these and make a word if you wanted to, or you can just do one, like an initial necklace, which is what I'm doing. R sort of is the initial of my last name. Now is the next step of sort of putting a chain on it, and I just sort of got this nice delicate one. It's really cute. Just sort of put the small end in there first, and just sort of clip that to that, like that. Okay, so there you go. I really like it. I think it works really well on its own. It's really simple and really cute. It's a great initial necklace, but it's also a nod to if you're really into board games or playing something fun, or maybe just you're an English teacher, maybe you love words in general, or words with friends. It's blank on the back, which is, I think it's fine personally. Like, I think that the wood is really cool, but if you really, really wanted to dress it up, you could potentially paint something back here, or you can do a Mod Podge thing. It could be related to this letter. I don't know, you could put reptile or something like that on the back. Whatever you want to do. It doesn't even have to do with the letter whatsoever, but it's just fun for like if your necklace flips over. It's almost like having two different types of necklaces, and you can paint it whatever color you want to match your clothes or something, or like the clothes of the person you're gifting to. So it's just kind of like a neat basic necklace that you can do. Again, you don't have to go as far as that. You can just stop here. If you wanted to have like two different necklaces that you wanted to give somebody, by all means, go for it. Be a little extra. Why not, right? That's just one little idea, and I hope you guys really enjoy that.
So yeah, that's how you make it. I'm just gonna do like a short kind of ending here. So basically, I just wanted to show you guys that, and really, I hope you really like it. I really like it. I think it's really cute. I like the fact that if you want to, you can wear it plain, or you can sort of do something really cool on the other side. You can put some artwork there, like sort of Mod Podge it on. You can paint this. You can put like some sparkles down. There's all sorts of different things you can do. You can do like all of the above, lots of like mixed media or whatever. Or again, I like it plain. I think it's really cool plain. So if you wanted to do that too, that's really cool. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. And if you are somebody who keeps coming back for more, I really hope you enjoy this new content. Hopefully you like the new series coming up as well. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so take care, have a good one. Okay, bye.